you so much for tuning into my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you ladies some of my must-have products, the products that I love to actually use on my natural hair. Some of them are new, and I'm going to show you the ones that are new, but the ones that I've been using for a very long time, those are my staple products, and those are the products that I'm going to be continuing to use. When I was transitioning, I was using those products, and when I was relaxed, I was using some of those products. So let's just get into this video. Oh, but before I get started, I want to say welcome to all of you that are new here. I pray that by the end of this video, you will decide to subscribe. Okay, so let's just get started. So first things first, when you think about your hair care, the first thing you think about is the shampoo and the conditioner that you're going to be using on your hair, right? So my must-have shampoo for the moment, and I just bought this yesterday because I want to start using this shampoo, but I'm going to show you the one that I was using prior to me picking this up, okay? So I bought this yesterday from Walmart. It's a pack of 2, as you can see. This is the Aussie Miracle Moist Shampoo and their conditioner. And this was about $13.47 for this little package right here. I bought this from there, and this is the shampoo and conditioner. It has aloe and jojoba oil in it, right? Jojoba oil is really good for relaxed hair as well as natural hair. It mimics our natural sebum oil. So I picked this up. This is the shampoo and conditioner I'm going to be using throughout my natural hair journey. And it's going to be my moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. So for those of you who are transitioning, or for those of you that are natural, you should always have a moisturizing shampoo in your collection, and you should also have a strengthening shampoo in your collection. And for my strengthening shampoo, I'm going to be using what I was using when I was transitioning, which is my Bain de Terre shampoo and conditioner. This is a strengthening shampoo and a strengthening conditioner. It has keratin in it and phytoprotein. And this is a little bit on the pricey side, but all the products that I'm going to be showing you today, I'm going to have it linked in my description bar, just in case you guys want to try it out and you want to pick it up. They have them on Amazon. So when I was transitioning and I was going to the salon to have my hair silk pressed, the stylist was using this on my hair to wash my hair. So I decided to pick it up and continue using it. And it's been working pretty good. So I use this as my strengthening conditioner and shampoo, and I'm going to be using this as my moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. So whenever I feel like my hair needs some kind of moisture, I'll go for the Aussie, is that how you say? I think Aussie. I'll go for the Aussie. If I feel like my hair is a little dry and breaking and those type of things, I'm going to reach for my strengthening, okay? So that's the shampoo and the conditioner. As for the leave-in conditioner, of course, I go to my staple product, my Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. This is the repair cream. It deeply moisturizes to help protect the hair from damage. So I always reach for this. I've been using this when I was relaxed, transitioning, and now fully natural. I'm going to be using it. I just picked this one up yesterday. I went and I actually bought some more products that I was running out of. So I picked this one up yesterday. This is the one I had before I got this one. As y'all can see, it is all used up. So I had to go and pick up some products. So that was one of the products that I actually went to pick up. Okay, so, and also when it comes to like my deep conditioners, I've been using this, which is also the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. I had this one for a while. So that one I just showed you is just the conditioner. This one is actually the deep conditioner for the Aussie. So I'll be using this whenever I feel like I want to deep treat my hair, okay? Also, I've been using, for shampoo, I've been using this, which is the Tea Tree shampoo. It's by Tea Tree. It's the Tea Tree Special Shampoo Invigorating Cleanser Shampooing for hair. So this is more of a clarifying shampoo. So if I feel like I need that deep, clean, squeaky clean scalp, I want to get rid of all the oil, the dirt, the debris, whatever it is that I have on my scalp, I will go in with this Tea Tree shampoo to really get it nice and squeaky clean. So this is what I've been using too. The stylist was also using this on my hair when I was going to her for my silk presses and stuff like that. So that's how I came upon this one and the other 2 products I showed you. So This is my clarifying, okay? And then when I want to pre-poo my hair, y'all know I go to my African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Conditioning Pre-Shampoo. Y'all, this is everything, okay? This pre-poo gives you the ultimate slip. If you need something that's going to really give your hair that slip, you're able to comb through it, you're able to glide through your hair with no problems, no tangles, no shit. This is it, y'all. This was $7.99. I got it. I went to Walmart, but it was sold out in Walmart, so I had to go to my local beauty supply store. This is the one that I was using before. Y'all see it's empty. This is the one I just picked up. So it is nice and full. You see that? Has a nice little jiggle to it. Oh, it smells so good too. So $7.99. This pre-poo, y'all, is amazing. Take a look at it. It's the African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water. This works amazing. And I'm going to be washing my hair after this video. So that's why I had to pick this up, because I'm going to put my hair in sections and I'm going to go through with my aloe and separate it and get busy with washing my hair. Okay, so that's that. And I also, so for protein treatments, of course, if I feel like my hair is drying out, I feel like my hair is breaking, it's shedding a lot, I like to go in at least 1 to every 2 months and do a protein treatment. But like I was saying, if I use the shampoo, I won't use this and a protein treatment, okay? Chances are I will use my moisturizing shampoo and conditioner and then do the protein treatment. So my protein treatment of choice is the ORS hair mayonnaise, and I've been using this, y'all, for years, okay? Years. And I went ahead and I picked up these 2 packets. It's $2.99 a pack. I got it from my local beauty supply store. This is the ORS Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise with nettle leaf and horsetail extracts. Conditioning treatment for damaged and weak hair. You can use it whether your hair is strong or healthy or not. You don't have to have damaged hair to actually use this. You want to make sure you're being proactive in using it so your hair won't get damaged, okay? This actually comes in a jar. I had the jar, but I threw it away. But like I said, I'm not going to be protein treating my hair a lot, so I reach for these packets. And I would advise you to do the same thing. You don't have to necessarily buy the jar. Just go ahead and buy these packets. It will save you some money, especially if you don't protein treat your hair often, okay? So these are how they look. And this is how it looks. And like I said, it's $2.99. You can get you. So I'm going to put these 2 in my hair this wash day. So I'm planning on using my Aussie. I'm going to use this. And I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for like 15-20 minutes and stuff. And I'm going to do that. Okay? What else? Also for protein treatments, I have these. And I was using these when I was relaxed, and I also was using it like a little bit. Occasionally, I would reach for this when I wanted to do a protein treatment. If I didn't have the hair mayonnaise, I would use this. Okay, so this is the Afro G Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. It smooths and detangles, improves body and shine, and it protects against heat. So this is good too. This is a protein treatment. You can use this. This was $4.99. So this is really good. And then I had this one, which is the Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor. This is really good too. It adds strength and softens in 1 step, quick and effective against heat and chemical damage. So this is really good. Like I was saying in my previous video where I was talking about growing my hair back, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave it in the iCards up above. But I'm thinking about becoming a heat trained naturist. So these products are going to work really well on my hair when it comes to protecting my hair against heat. Okay, this one was $9.99. You can see that right there. This one was $9.99 and this one was $4.99. But you could pick it up from Walmart. You could pick it up from your local beauty supply store. I like to use these products. These products are really good for the hair. When it comes to like oils, if I want to do a hot oil treatment or whenever I'm taking my braids out, like this was a braid out because I had my hair in cornrows, so I just took my braids out because like I said, I'm going to wash my hair, but I wanted to jump on and do this video with you guys. So for oil, my oil of choice is extra virgin olive oil. I got this from H-E-B, this little bottle. Of course, you can cook with it. You can put it in your hair. You can do hot oil treatments with it. I'm not sure how much this costs, but you can use any extra virgin olive oil. I like to use this on my hair just to like oil my fingertips whenever I'm doing a takedown, or if I decide to do a hot oil treatment, I usually go in with this, okay? Keeping on the oils, I also have this, which is the Chi Luxury Black Seed Hot Oil Treatment. I also sometimes use this as my hot oil treatment, and the style is also here, so that's why I went ahead and picked it up. And it works pretty. It has a nice slip, a nice glide to it, so this one is really, really good. For moisturizing my hair, I always used to use this one, which is the olive oil hair moisturizing lotion with castor oil. This you can get from your beauty supply, or you can get from Walmart. Castor oil for strengthening helps to moisturize. So when I do my moisturizing and seal, I tend to use this. I was using this for a very long time, but one of my subscribers actually used this. So I also picked this one up yesterday. It's $8.99 and I got it from Walmart. This is the Argan Oil from Morocco. Creamy oil moisturizing hair lotion. So I'm gonna be trying this to see how my hair takes to this, but I'll be, switching up between the two. But these are both hair moisturizing lotions and I'm pretty sure they're gonna work good. Let me speed this up, okay? For heat protectants, I usually use Tresemme. This is $7.99. It's just a heat tamer. This helps with protecting your hair from heat. I ran out of this one, so I went ahead and I picked up this one. This is the Tai Chi. It has keratin in it, and it's their heat protector, and it was $5.99. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all these products linked down below. I also picked me up some gloves, because gloves are a must-have in your hair care journey, especially if you have nails, if you have tips on. You want to make sure your hair don't snag and get caught in your nails, or even when you're scrubbing your scalp, you want to make sure you're not damaging your scalp where you can cause little small micro abrasions on your scalp, okay? So always get you a pair of gloves. For my relaxed girls, y'all need gloves to relax your hair, but we natural girls need gloves too, so we can protect our scalp and everything, okay? When it comes to like tools, I like to use wide tooth combs to detangle my hair sometimes, but now I've been reaching for my bamboo comb. But I heard that a bamboo comb is better for us to actually use to comb our hair. Y'all can do y'all research and y'all go look that up. But I use my bamboo comb a lot too, especially for my natural hair. But I reach for the plastic too, it doesn't matter. Oil sheen, I like to use the Iso Plus, just to give my hair a little shine, especially with my braids. I might spray a little bit over my braids. I like to use this, Iso Plus. Also for like a hair serum, this is a silk infusion. I like to put this on my hair after I blow dry my hair to give my hair that nice shine, and before I blow my hair too, I like to use this. Yeah, this was $24.99. This is a little pricey. And the stylist used this on my hair when she did my silk press, so that's why I was able to, I started to use it, pick it up. Also, get you some duckbill clips for your hair journey, so you'll be able to put your hair in sections. Always have a scalp massager, helps to circulate blood and everything to your scalp. I have my Dax grease, Dax. My Blue Magic, I used to use Dax. I still reach for Dax, but like I was telling y'all in that video, I don't oil my scalp no more. But I still have my Blue Magic hair conditioner, and I will just put that on like the shaft of my hair if I need to. Yeah, and if you're natural, of course, you're gonna need a good old pick to go in there and do your little, little lift ups and stuff like that. Always have a pick. I have my rack tooth comb, because y'all know I like to part my hair and do my hair in cornrows, so I definitely need my rat tail comb for that. When I'm washing my hair, I like to use my scrubber to make sure I'm really getting that dirt and getting it up out of my hair. I'm moving kind of fast because I'm running out of time, running out of storage. So I have this little brush. I like to use this little brush to just brush down my edges from time to time. So yeah, so those are the products that I'm gonna be using on my hair. So thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as part of the Blessed family. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.